Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mitsubishi Pajero versus the Jeep Wrangler. We'll explore their key features, performance, and suitability for various adventures. Understanding their differences will help you decide which vehicle best fits your lifestyle, whether you prioritize comfort, extreme off-roading, or a balance of both. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to off-road performance, the Jeep Wrangler often takes the lead with its robust solid axles and impressive articulation, making it ideal for extreme rock crawling. The Mitsubishi Pajero, however, provides a more refined off-road experience with its independent suspension, which also contributes to better on-road comfort. Both are highly capable, but for different types of adventures. For daily driving and longer trips, the Mitsubishi Pajero generally offers a more comfortable and quieter ride, making it a strong contender for families or those who spend more time on paved roads. The Jeep Wrangler, while iconic, can be less refined on road due to its off-road focused design. Consider your primary use case when weighing these factors. Ultimately, choosing between the Mitsubishi Pajero and the Jeep Wrangler depends on your priorities. If you seek extreme off-road capability and an iconic look, the Wrangler might be for you. If comfort, practicality, and a balanced off-road experience are key, the Pajero could be a better fit. Both offer excellent value in their respective niches. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.